Okay, Ian, I'm just going to briefly outline and sort of show you a demonstration of how you can start your design of your plastic pollution ocean posters. So I've asked you to do two designs. So what I would suggest is you split your A4 page into two. I'd probably have it landscape and then split it into two, so you've got two images. Okay. If you want to do them the other way, that's absolutely fine. But I'm going to have my posters portrait. Okay. Once you've done that, then you need to think about two different designs. Now, you might have sketched them off earlier, which is absolutely fine. I am going to start thinking about my logos and what I want on there. Now, I've already pre-thought it and written some notes down. So my first one is called Stop the Drop, okay? And I've decided I'm going to do that in sort of like watery writing. So Stop the Drop, it's a bit of a play on words, and it's obviously stopping, dropping litter. So I've decided I'm going to try and maybe split my page into two, okay? And the way it's going to go is going to be a little bit watery. So I'm just sketching these things out sort of to try and represent the waves. I'm not going into too much detail. And then within that, I'm going to sort of create some sort of bubbles and sort of watery bits just to help. So these are just simple shapes and graphics to help represent water and to help me get my message across, okay? And I'm going to add those shapes and colours across there. Again, I might try it a different way when I actually do it, but I've sort of split my page into two, and these are quite simple, okay? On the top, I'm going to have my title and my heading, so I've decided to go for Stop the Drop, and from my original fonts that I did, I'm going to do a bit of a watery one as my theme, okay? So again, I'm going to start maybe doing it normal, so I've got my S, okay, but then I might start to just show that it's a bit wavy, a bit watery. It doesn't matter if it's a little bit messy, because this is just your design and your practice. And then obviously, going to do ST. It's a lot quicker than you will be doing, and I'll be definitely refining it and making it better later on. But my stop there, and then I'm going to do stop, and then it's going to be obviously stop, don't drop. I'm deciding to doing stop, don't drop, and then my D is going to be watery as well. I'm speeding this up just to show you. Stop, don't drop. It's quite a clever little play on words. Okay, and then underneath I'm going to do a little arrow just to show where the sort of the movement of the dropping, and then I might do some tin cans and some plastic, some bottles, and things like that. Okay, so that's the start, and then this side we represent what effect it has. So I'm going to do. I've decided I'm going to do like a dead fish. Okay, so it's not happy. So all these little visuals to help me. I've had a look on my research on my phone just to have a look at maybe how to do sort of a dead fish with the scales. So I'm doing that really quickly. And then there we've got. So that's sort of one design. The other design I've decided is I'm going to use my straw idea. Okay, and the straw idea, I've again trying to play on words, and I'm going to go for the last straw. So this is like the last chance we've got, the last straw, we're fed up with it all, and it's that play on words with straw and pollution and the effects it has. So as you'll have seen in my previous videos, I'm going to use the straw effect for my letters, okay? So T, H, and E, so I'm going to sort of have it a bit curvy as well, and I'm going to really turn them, a lot more detail when I do it, but to show you how I'm going to turn it into there. Okay, and I'm going to do a bit of a blue Peter Hayes one I did earlier, and you can see from my designs that I've got the stop, don't drop with my pollution and the water, and then my other one, the last straw, I've decided to add the C, and then I've decided that the straw is going to go into the water and it's sort of sucking up all the fish and the life and the animals, and it's destroying it. So hopefully an impact of what I want to get across. Okay. You can stick with just your pencil drawing if you want, but if you want, you can add some colours. So I have got some pencil crayons if you want to use felt tips, if that's all you've got. If you want to use watercolours or paint, anything you've got at home, that is absolutely fine. But I'm going to play around with some blue. So again, I'm not going to spend ages on this. I'm just going to shade in some areas, play around with what colours might work with what. So this is just you designing. So you can see the different colours, the different ways that you can add the water effect, and that might go through there. I might do some darker colours in areas, and I might even mix it up. So I'm not doing it all, I'm just showing examples and practicing and designing. And that's what this one's all about. Okay, I may then go into the straw on the other side. I may decide I want my straw to be sort of stripy, so I may add some colours in there as I'm going along. Again, just to get that straw effect, and to see what I would like to do. Okay, so 2 designs. Then you can start to choose from them. I would like you to then, with your camera phone, okay, make sure you take a picture of your design. So hold it up, take a picture of it all, snap it, and then upload it onto this document. Okay, you can annotate it if you want and write some notes as you go along. Thank you very much.